SIT112, this is my video demonstration for task P7. So first of all, I imported my necessary module, which is pandas c1 and matplotlib.pyplot. Using the alias method, pandas is pd, c1 is sns, and matplotlib.pyplot is plt. So first of all, I have created a data frame called data and displayed the head. Here is my top 5 values for this particular, and using the info method, displayed the basic information about the data, and then convert the date column to date time. For that, which I did was selected the date column, uses the pandas.toDateTime function on the data.date column and displayed the head. And you can see all of these are in date time. There are no date times, but if I do the data.info again after doing this step, it would be of date time. So now I have to filter the data which can just have rows, contains just the rows for 2015 for the conventional type and region named Albany, and store the date, total bags, small bags in a new data frame. So I have the data reduced, which is data.query. Year should be 2015, region should be Albany, and type should be conventional. And select the only the date column and small bags for this the filter data. So data reduced is equal to data, and I've selected the column date, total bags, and years. Now melt the data in the total bags and small bag column, but not the value in the date column, and name the column that contains the type of bag types, and name the column that contains the number of bag count, and then display the resulting data frame. So the melted data is equal to panda.melt, which I have applied on my reduced data, and ID variables are date, value variables are total bags, small bags, and variable name is bags, and the value name is count. And I have displayed my melted data. So you can see my date, bags is total bags, and the count is this much. I need to plot the melted data with C1 in a line plot using the hue parameter to distinguish between the by X types. So for that, what I did was I used this particular code to replot the melted data as mentioned by the task. It should be offline, and my X label is date and my Y label is count. And I've applied hue on bags for different colors in the bags, and expert is 2, and then I have made the labels and showed the labels. So here is my label for it. Now bin the data in the total volume column into 4 quality labeled poor, modest, good, and excellent, and store the bin labels in a new column. So I have selected my sales volume column, and using the pandas qcut method, I've selected the column, and my Q is 4. Labels are poor, modest, good, and excellent, and then I have displayed my data. So here you can see this is my data, and my sales volume is modest, good, modest, which is already added here. So I need to plot the bin data by using the C1 count plot. So I have selected the count plot, applied on my data frame, kind I need count, X is my year, and hue on sales volume, and then customized it like this is the heading, X label should be year, Y label should be count, and this is my count plot as per the task requirement. Blue line indicates poor, yellow indicates modest, green indicates good, and red indicate excellent. So of the 3 bag sizes, which size sell the most? Okay, so for that, I've selected my melted data. ID variables are year, value variables are small, large, X large bags, and variable name is bags, and value name is count. And I've created a line plot with my data frame is data melted, X is year, and Y is count, and hue on bag. And then customize like bags count over the year, my Y label is count, and my X label is year, and here is my diagram for it. Now which type of Avogadro sells the most? For that, what I did was I selected the total volume using the fill NA to 0 and in place to 0. Now result is my data.group by based on the type, and total value sum. I printed the result. So the conventional data type has this thing, and the organic data type has this thing. So it is clearly visible that the organic avocados were sold the most. This is my video demonstration for task P7. I hope you liked it. Thank you.